This drill is called the Typewriter Duckwalk. We'll be using the lateral resistor bands. We're going to be utilizing 5 yards of space. This drill is going to work glutes, your hips, as well as your hamstrings. What they'll be doing is they'll be using the resistor bands in the duck walk that will be working their glutes and their hip mobility right here. The resistor bands are key in help developing those muscles. This portion of the drill is the typewriter. It works the glutes and the hams. Also in this typewriter portion, it works core as well as shoulder stability. When you're doing this portion of the drill, you don't want your feet to come close together. You want to keep the tension on the bands.